looking for that. You could see it from his back lift. Hasn't come to the middle of the bat, but still enough to get over the boundary. We saw earlier a leading edge almost getting him at 6, and this one is out of the ground. Not to forget, there it is. Look at that, not quite on the middle of the bat, but those bats, well, they can throw the ball a fair distance. No cables here. That's a Dhoni special. How many times we've seen that? So Dhoni said, well, I'll have a free hit at this one. Right in the slot. Bang. 200 sixes for Dhoni. I think this is a situation of a lost ball. Now it's come back in. It's gone short, and this is a tremendous hit. The same direction, but of a better ball from Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Saw the best of Yuvraj, now seeing the best of Mahendra Singh Dhoni. That's a rare shot from Dhoni. You don't see that very often. It's a lofted extra cover drive. He knows he'll catch up the strike rate. Another full toss, and he holds the pose beautifully.
So it's been a feature, both New Zealand left-arm spinners.
Afریدی over extra cover and over the boundary. Brilliant. Over long on. Devcic is down there, but he's just a spectator. 6 more. 17 off the over. Afریدی says go. 91 for 5.
Gated stuff. Afریدی hits one in here. He's cleared the fence. Has he cleared the fence? It's gone. 6.
He's heard you. Has he got enough? I don't know. This should be taken. No, it won't. He got enough on it. There's the driver for Scotty Styrus. 11 off. 226 for 6. The 100 partnership as well.
Or perhaps a few more. That's 6 over extra cover. Well, 230 looks a very conservative estimate after that last shot. And he's welcomed back into the attack by being pumped over mid-on, all the way for 6. Welcome back to the bowling crease, Adam Milne, says Shahid Afrídi. 200 up. Width this time. Oh, it's burst the hands of the fielder out on the boundary. Has it gone for 6? I think it has. Yes, indeed.
Here's the captain on strike. Gives it a heave. And he's got enough of it. Boom Boom is here on Sunday. Last ball. And bang! And 6 more! Shahid Afrídi on cue, 18 from the 40th. It's 2:39 for 4 now.
The bowling. Bowled shot, that's gone. Straight over, long off. 6.
Gone over the rope, yes. Too much on it with a big blade has the captain. 6 off the last one means 9 off the 39th. It's 198 for 5. Be careful.
That's gone up in the air, beats the man at mid-off and lands over the rope. It's gone for 6. 50 partnership between Yunus and Afrídi. It spoils the fun for New Zealand and for Henry.